Welcome back on SSB ROCKS. In this video, we are going to discuss about self-description test of SSB. I strongly recommend you all to prepare our self-description well in advance before SSB. A well-crafted self-description can be a game changer in your SSB interview preparation. By taking the time to introspect and articulate your strengths, you'll project a confident and authentic image. This reduces anxiety, ensures consistency, and helps you make the most of your limited interview time. Key benefits of preparing your self-description beforehand: enhance self-awareness, gain a deeper understanding of your personality, strengths, and areas for growth. Reduced anxiety, feel more confident and prepared during the interview. Improved consistency, ensure your responses align with your self-assessment. Efficient time management, focus on articulating your thoughts rather than scrambling for content. To make a lasting impression during your SSB interview, your self-description should be honest, authentic, and well-structured. Here's how to create a compelling portrait of yourself. Be genuine, avoid copying others, and focus on your unique qualities. Highlight strengths and weaknesses. Present a balanced view of yourself, including areas for improvement. Show, don't tell. Use specific examples to illustrate your traits rather than simply listing adjectives. Maintain consistency. Ensure your self-description aligns with your behavior in other parts of the SSB process. If you want PDF of this video for your personal reference, kindly download it from our Telegram channel, link is in the description below. Be cautious of fake channels and make sure you subscribe to the official one. By following these guidelines, you'll present a more polished and impactful image of yourself, increasing your chances of success. Here's a sample self-description for veterinary students preparing to join the Indian Armed Forces through the Remount and Veterinary Corps. Use it as a guide to create your own personalized response. Tailor your answers to reflect your unique experiences and qualities. So first question is, what my parents think of me? My parents see me as a compassionate animal lover with a strong sense of duty. They admire my decision to combine my veterinary skills with military service. My father, a retired police officer, appreciates my desire to serve the nation in a unique capacity. My mother, a wildlife conservationist, is proud of how I've integrated her teachings on animal welfare into my career aspirations. They often remark on my growing ability to balance empathy with pragmatism, a skill they believe will be crucial in the RVC. What my professors think of me. My veterinary professors view me as a dedicated student with a particular interest in large animal medicine and military working dogs. They value my ability to apply theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios, especially in field conditions. My equine medicine instructor has noted my enthusiasm for understanding the complexities of cavalry horse care. While they commend my clinical skills, some have encouraged me to improve my leadership abilities, recognizing their importance in a military setting. What my classmates think of me. My peers see me as a focused individual who brings a unique perspective to our veterinary studies. They appreciate my ability to organize efficient study groups and my knack for simplifying complex anatomical concepts. Many are intrigued by my goal to serve in the RVC, and often seek my insights on the role of veterinarians in national security. Some playfully call me the animal whisperer in uniform, noting how I approach animal care with both gentleness and military-like precision. However, they also remind me to participate more in social activities and maintain a work-life balance. My opinion about myself. I see myself as a bridge between animal welfare and national service. I take pride in my ability to handle various animal species and my growing understanding of how veterinary medicine applies in military contexts. While I'm confident in my clinical skills and animal handling abilities, I recognize the need to develop my physical fitness and adapt to the rigorous discipline of military life. I often find myself contemplating how principles of herd health management or canine behavior could be applied to enhance the effectiveness of military animals. Qualities I wish to acquire or improve. I aspire to enhance my leadership and decision-making skills, recognizing their importance in managing veterinary units in challenging environments. I want to improve my communication skills to effectively convey critical information to both military personnel and fellow veterinarians. Additionally, I aim to deepen my understanding of military protocols and hierarchies, seeing how they integrate with veterinary practices in the armed forces. Lastly, I wish to cultivate a more adaptable mindset, learning to apply my veterinary knowledge flexibly in diverse and potentially stressful military scenarios. By combining my passion for animal care with military discipline, I hope to contribute to the health and welfare of service animals while serving my country through the Remount and Veterinary Corps. Want us to create a video on your study stream? Share your topic in the comments below. We'll bring your subject to life in a captivating video. Grab this free sample self-description PDF and start crafting your winning strategy. Join our official Telegram channel, link in description. Be cautious of fake channels and make sure you subscribe to the official one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might also find it interesting. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. We love hearing from you. See you in the next one.